following message is transmitted at the request of the Contra Costa County Police Department. Police are looking for a child named Daniel. Daniel is a 16-year-old male, 5 feet tall, and 6 inches tall, weighs 162 pounds, black hair, dark brown eyes, blue pants, baby blue sweater, and gray shoes. He was last seen at his mother's house at around 3:24 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The suspect name is Baldi. Baldi is 29 years old, green shirt, black dotted eyes, blue pants, and bald hair. Daniel's mother claimed that this was the same suspect that was stalking him 2 weeks ago. The license plate on the suspect's vehicle is 9JLP28. Anyone with information are asked to call the Contra Costa County Police Department at 925-313-2500 or call 911 for further assistance.
Stuck on you. Got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the California State Police. Baldi has been confirmed extremely dangerous and has posed a significant threat to the public. Contra Costa County is being placed in a shutdown until when all clear has been given. Shelter in place immediately. Grab essential supplies, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio for your emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the California State Police. Baldi has been arrested for child abduction. The child Daniel is found safe. Normal programming may now resume.